To set up your gradebook in Schoology, you're going to click on the Grade Setup tab on the left-hand side of your page. Create your categories by clicking the Add button to the right of the categories title. Most teachers will have a daily work category and an assessment category. After this, you'll need to weight your categories by clicking the box to the left of the weight categories. Set your assessments at 70%, your daily work at 30%. Then you'll need to click the correct grading period, choose Edit, and then you'll choose the grading period that you're in and hit Save. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Save Changes. There's no need to do anything else on this page. Once you add materials or add assignments, you will have the option to choose a category. So you can put it in assessments or daily work or whatever your categories are. Then when you click on your gradebook and hover over the assignment, you'll be able to see what category it's in. Just remember that when you enter in grades in Schoology, you'll need to hit the Sync Changes to Infinite Campus so that your gradebook continuously syncs with Infinite Campus.